Well, you've accused Pakistan's current Prime Minister, the Interior Minister, and a senior intelligence official for the attack on your life. These are serious allegations. What's your evidence, sir?
Well, Becky, about 2 months ago, this plot was conceived. I went on in public. On 24th of September, I actually announced about this plot. And let me just give you the background. How do I know that what I'm saying and what evidence I have? It started off when I was deposed from government. From then onwards, what was expected was that our party would just fall apart. In fact, what has happened is that those two families being again imposed on us, who've been ruling for 30 years, there was a big public backlash. Right. And so rather than my movement or party going down, it has probably the party has had such public support. We won 75% of the by-elections since we were out of power. And so all efforts were then to somehow make me run out of the race, to disqualify me. Terrorist, I was accused of terrorism and so on, various charges.
I did, with respect, ask you for